Hello and welcome to Logic ERP. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest videos.
In this video, we will show you how to configure the default printing list in Logic ERP. Let's get started. Head to the Sale Voucher configuration and select the appropriate billing series. Under Other Settings 1, click on the Other Settings option. Then, go to Defaults 2. Here you will find an option labeled as Default Printing List. Select the desired printing configuration you wish to set as default. After making your selection, don't forget to save the changes made. Now, let's observe its functionality during billing. It has been observed that while printing the bill, the software displays only the printing configuration that we had set as by default.
I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.